Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Junaid Seed. I'm excited to share with you my favorite quotes. So let's get started. Number one, nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Number two, life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Number three, we will fail when we fail to try. Number four, in the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.
Get up, time is barely on our side.